Welcome to my channel. In this series, we explore the many ways our brains make us who we are. And in this episode, we'll be looking at how our brain's neurophysiology shapes our emotions. Our brain is made up of billions of neurons that form connections with each other through synapses. And that, in turn, shapes how we feel. These synapses can strengthen over time through a process called neuroplasticity. For example, when we learn a new language, new synapses are formed between the neurons in our brain. This makes it easier for us to remember words and phrases in that language. In extreme cases, they can lead to maladaptive behaviors or even mental illness. If we can learn to control our emotions, then we can prevent them from getting out of hand. So join me on this journey as we explore the fascinating world of neurophysiology and unravel the mysteries of our emotions. And when they do, it's easier for signals to pass through them, which means that certain patterns of brain activity become more and more efficient. This process is responsible for many of the changes we go through in life. In the same way, our brains form synapses between neurons that control our emotions. So our emotional experiences shape our brain's neurophysiology. Our brains are wired to feel emotions. But what exactly is happening in there? Every emotion that you've ever felt is the result of a cascade of chemical reactions in your brain. When you experience something that evokes an emotion, like seeing a loved one or feeling physical pain, your brain goes into action. But it doesn't stop there. Your emotions also affect your behavior. They influence how you interact with others and how you respond to your environment. It sends signals to your body to release chemicals like adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals then trigger a chain reaction, activating different parts of your brain and nervous system. This is what causes the physiological symptoms that accompany emotions, like the racing heartbeat when you're scared or the lump in your throat when you're sad. Emotions are essential to our survival. They help us process information quickly and make decisions efficiently. But sometimes our emotions can get the better of us. That's why it's so important to understand how emotions work.